archive, backup, compress, and unpack and decompress files. With the use of tar command and its options, we can archive, compress, decompress, and unpack files and folders. Tar is used with other options. -C will create the file, the archive file. -F is used to name the archive. -Z to compress it with gzip. -J to compress it with bzip2. -T will display the files and folders in the archive. -X is to extract or decompress the compressed archive. Before we begin, we need to create some directories and files. Make directory -P option is used to create the directory and the subdirectory. So animal / cats. If we list the contents in the current working directory, we should see the folder created. If we cd change directory into the animal folder, and we list the contents of it, we should see cats. cd into cats and create 3 files. cat1, cat2, and cat3. And we should see that the files is being created. We got to go back into the user's home directory. So to create an archive, just simply type tar -C for create, V for verbose, and F to specify the archive name. You name this animal.tar, and the directory that we're gonna archive will be animal. And everything in it. And you list out, you can see that the archive is being created. Now to compress the archive, there are 2 ways of doing it. You can simply use tar command, or you can just use the compress tool like gzip or bzip2. For example, we use gzip2. Gzip, and then the tar file we just created. Or let's start the contents. You should see that it is being compressed. The size has changed, it has reduced. To decompress it, gun zip. List out. You can see it's back to the archive form. And the size increased. Clear your screen. Or we can simply use the tar command -C for create, V for verbose, Z for gzip compression, and F to rename the file. Animal.tar.gz, and the directory we want to archive. Now list. We should see that the archive has been compressed. To view the contents in the archive, you simply type tar There's T to view, V for verbose, and F. Then you specify the file name. And it displays the contents in it. Type the same. For the uncompressed tar, okay. And release all the contents. We're gonna remove the animal directory. Remove dash -ow for recursive to remove everything in the directory. And animal. List out the contents. We don't see that. We are going to extract that directory from the archive file by typing tar-x for extract vf verbose, and then specify the file name. The animal tar. And we list out the contents. We should have the directory made for us. Thank you for watching.